Does Max look like the twins? As Leah May showed the picture of Max, you could see the look in the twins' eyes. Were they looking at their long-lost biological father or not?
Yan, isang mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat, mga kalingap, and welcome po sa ating YouTube channel. At sa mga hindi po pala nakapag-subscribe po sa ating YouTube channel, please do subscribe and pahit na rin po yung notification bell button para lagi po kayong updated sa ating mga upload. Ayan, bago po tayo guys magsimula ay big shoutout muna po sa ating ama ng kalingap, si Kuya Val Santos Matubang, si Ate Edna, Kalingap Rob, at sa ating mga K-Boys, Kalingap Partners, at mga Kalingap Reactors, magandang araw po. So, ayun po mga Kalingap, ngayon pong vlog po natin ngayon, magbibigay tayo ng isang reaction video kung saan ay kung naalala po ninyo, meron po tayo ditong dalawang beneficiary, si Kalingap Rob na kambal, na dati nga po ay sinasabing Australiano. So dito po nagkaroon po ng paghahanap sa kanilang nawawalang ama. No? So nagkaroon po ng palaisipan, sino ba ang or nasaan ba ang kanilang tunay na ama. So ngayon po nagkaroon po ng isang big turn up event at nagkaroon po ng progress ang paghahanap po dito sa kanilang tatay. So dito nga po sa isang vlog po ng isang vlogger na mag-asawa po, yung Leah and Blair Slug, kung saan kilala po sila sa mga content kung saan ay pinag-unite po nila yung mga matatagal ng nagkahiwalay na magkakamag-anak, no? So dito po ay tinutulungan po nila ang kambal na Australiano na sinasabi nating si Edward at si Edwin. Tinutulungan nila po para mag-unite may-unite po sa kanilang ama. So, ngayon po nagkaroon po siya ng latest update, talagang malaking update po ito, no, mga kalingap. So, papanoorin po natin yung video kung saan ay nagpakita na po, or parang hindi pa naman sigurado pero napakalaki ng chance na siya talaga ang tunay na ama po ng kambal. Papanoorin po natin ang video po ng Leah and Blair Slug. Ayan, panoorin po natin.
Brazilian.
Yes.
He is Brazilian, but he said when he met this woman, he didn't say that he is Brazilian.
He was staying in Australia at the time, but his ethnicity is Brazilian, and he's living in Brazil right now. And he has sent us a video message for us and the twins. Now, I'd like to say that I'm not sure.
So that's probably their father.
I wouldn't go as far as
really
to say
100%.
Yes,
that we have to wait.
We need to confirm through the DNA. But this guy is claiming that the twins is his, and he is hoping.
Or he had a relationship
with your mother.
But he may not be the father.
Yes.
So that's where the DNA test is going to come in.
Does Max look like the twins? As Leah May showed the picture of Max, you could see the look in the twins' eyes. Were they looking at their long-lost biological father or not?
There's a video message, but he's speaking in Brazilian or Portuguese, I believe. They speak in Brazil Portuguese. So Leah May has put it through AI.
So this is his message.
Hi Blair, how are you? I'm going to tell you my story, Blair, because the story of those twins sounds a lot like my own. In 2002, I went to Sydney, Australia, at the invitation of a friend. And when I arrived in Australia in December 2002, I wanted to explore the country. Then my friend invited me to the Philippines, to the city of Clark. And there I met a girl called Berlina. This girl, a Filipina, called Berlina, and we started dating there. I met her at a restaurant nearby, and I told her I lived in Sydney, Australia. I didn't go into much detail about my life, but actually I'm Brazilian and I live in Brazil. I was there on holiday in the Philippines just having a break. I went to Sydney, Australia in 2003. In January and February, I spent some time in the city of Clark over in the Philippines and met this girl called Belinda. And at one point there, I suspect she may have been pregnant. So my visa was about to expire. So I went back to Sydney in Australia. And from there, I returned to my home country, which is Brazil. And then I heard about this story about the twins, Edward and Edwin. I was really moved. It's very similar to my story. And if I'm really their father, I'd be very happy because they're special people. Thank you, Blair. God bless your lives. Max. So he's claiming he was there at the time. His name's Max. The story of Australia matches up what you guys told us before, that your mum said he was from Australia. But he said he didn't go into too much detail telling your mum that he was from Brazil. So we can maybe give you a picture of Max and you can show your mum. But really, I must stress the importance of the DNA test.
Yes.
And that's on its way to Brazil. So we're looking at another 2 months
Yes.
wait until we get the
Because
results.
there's also a chance that they're just met, but not the real.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Possible.
So
That's what
we've got another
we
2 month
believe.
wait, guys. But we wanted to share this with you because this is what happens behind the scenes.
Yes.
And it's important. And he keeps asking us, have you told the twins? And your mum might be able to shed some light on it. Oh, I know him, but... So we don't know.
The twins' case is the toughest we've ever had on the Leah and Blair slog. If you're a budding genealogist,
So ayan guys, nakita natin at maliwanag na maliwanag po yung pagkaka-explain po ni Sir Blair and Ma'am Leah. Sila po ay couple po, no? So yan po talaga ang kanilang content. And napakalaking tulong po para po sa Kambal at para sa Kalingap na gustong-gustong ipag-unite po itong Kambal po at ang kanilang nawawalang ama. So ngayon po ay nagkaroon na po ng lead, no? Nagkaroon na po ng lead and mismong yung tao po ang nag-reach out mismo doon sa vlogger na mag-asawa. So nag-reach out po ito and kitang-kita nyo naman po doon sa litrato. Pinakita po yung mga litrato ng sinasabing or possible, hindi pa sigurado kundi possible na tatay po ng Kambal. So kung makikita po ninyo dito ay talagang halos may resemblance po talaga sila. Halos may resemblance sila, lalo na pagdating sa parte ng mata, no? Sa mata and yung sa may ilong, yung face mismo and pati yung sa the way na pag-smile po nila ay halos po, pareho talaga. So yun medyo lang na medyo nga lang po na medyo nagda-doubt ako kasi di ba maputi po si Edwin tsaka si Edward. Yung pinakita po doon, which is nag-claim po na pwedeng siya daw yung tatay is hindi naman ganun kaputi. So, parang parang siguro nasa lahi din po nila. Could be yung parents nun is, diba? Maputi naman po. Pero yun po ang medyo lang. Pero pagdating po sa, tawag dito, pagdating sa mga detalye na binigay po nito, ay pwedeng pasok siya, malaking malaking kumbaga breakthrough ang nangyari pong ito para kumbaga na lang DNA na lang po ang hinihintay po natin para makumpirma na siya talaga yung ama ng dalawa po. So nagtutugma po kasi yung kwento nung lalaki at nung kanilang pong nanay. Ngayon po ay oras na lang po ang hihintayin po natin para talagang malaman at kahit po yung yung Kambal po ay very very excited na po sa kalalabasan po ng DNA. Pero ang sabi po is mga around 2 months pa bago makarating po yung DNA or lumabas yung result. So yun na lang po ang hintayin po natin, ano. Pero hopefully po ay maganda ang kalabasan po, at alam naman po natin willing, at nabalitaan po natin willing po itong ano tatay po nagki-claim na isama po sa Brazil ang dalawa. So ayan po at isa na rin po pala sa naging cost kung bakit nahirapan po, or isang naging reason kung bakit medyo nahirapan po ang karamihan sa paghahanap po ng nawawalang ama po nitong kambal, ay dahil iba po ang information po na hawak po ng kanilang ina. No, kasi sabi po nung lalaki ay nagpakilala daw po siya, no? Ang sabi pa nga Berlina di ba? Berlina po ang sabi, which is dapat ay, kung di ako nagkakamali, Belinda. So Berlina. Although matagal na po kasing panahon yun, so baka nagkamali na lang or medyo nawala na sa niya, sa memory niya. Pero halos the same kasi yung yung pangalan po. So iba po yung pagpapakilala po niya. Ang sabi niya ay siya po ay isang Australian. Kaya po ang pagkakalala po nung nanay po niya nung kambal is Australiano. Which is hindi po pala totoo. Siya po ay isang Brazilian. So doon po medyo naguluhan po ang medyo yun ang parang nagpahirap po sa paghahanap. Kasi maraming mga marami nang tumutulong. Pero itong vlog po ng Leah and Blair ay talagang napakalaking tulong sa paghahanap po. At kitang-kita naman po sa kanilang channel, at support nyo po yung kanilang channel dahil marami po talaga silang nakaka-inspire na videos kung saan ay talagang maantig po ang ating mga puso. At saka yung pag-unite mo yung dalawang magkalayo, 'di ba? Yung iba nga hindi na magkakilala Hindi magkakilala, kumbaga long lost. Kagaya po nung kay Edwin Edward tsaka yung sa kanilang tatay, hindi sila minsan talaga nagkita. So ayan lamang po. At hintayin po natin ang mga susunod na update po dito sa sa kambal. At sana ay maganda ang result ng test at para everybody happy na po. Ayan, yun lamang po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood, and kung nakaabot po kayo sa point na to ng video ay paki-hit na rin po yung notification bell button po para lagi po tayong updated. So thank you so much po. Bye-bye po, and Jesus loves you.